Dead Souls, Part 1, Chapter 1. To the door of an inn in the provincial town of N, there drew up a smart britchka, a light spring carriage, of the sort affected by bachelors, retired lieutenant colonels, staff captains, landowners possessed of about 100 souls, and in short all persons who rank as gentlemen of intermediate category. In the britchka was seated such a gentleman, a man who, though not handsome, was not ill-favored, not over-fat, and not over-thin. Also, though not over-elderly, he was not over-young. His arrival produced no stir in the town, and was accompanied by no particular incident, beyond that a couple of peasants, who happened to be standing at the door of drum shop, exchanged a few comments with reference to the equipage rather than to the individual who was seated in it. Look at that carriage. Think you it will be going as far as Moscow? I think it will. But not as far as Kazan, yeah? No, not as far as Kazan. With that, the conversation ended.